Good morning, everyone. Today's first open house is at 56101 Pontiac Trail, New Hudson, Michigan. If you follow Pontiac Trail north from 96, you'll find the home on the south side of Pontiac Trail. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, about 2,400 square feet of living space. It does also sit on 2.26 acres of land. So I am going to turn this phone around and show you a couple things here. There we go. So this is the lot right here. Of course, up there is Pontiac Trail. So we do have a small little fire pit area right here. A little swing on this beautiful mature tree. Back here, basketball, of course, net. We do have a small extra garage / pole barn there. The driveway does have this huge circular driveway as well, which is great for when you have company. A couple of birch trees here on the property, which I love. Check out this front porch, all the rockers on it. You'll feel like you're at what's the name of that restaurant? I forgot the name of it now. Where you go have breakfast. It'll come to me. Large backyard. There is a deck also in the backyard, right over there. Good for entertaining. So even though this home does sit on Pontiac Trail, it sits way back off of Pontiac Trail. So you don't get a ton of road noise back here, which is nice. So I'm going to take you through the home real quick before anyone shows up to the open house. You see more of the yard over there. Like I said, big lot. So here's the front door. Again, the front porch with the rockers, which I love. Cracker Barrel, that's the name of the restaurant. So we come here on the first floor. Now this home is on boiler heat, but the nice thing is it has central air conditioning as well. So you do have a half bath right here off the entrance, as well as the laundry. And in the same area is the access to the 2-car garage that is attached to the home. Back here, we do have some storage and extra utilities in the front. We do also have the dining space, which includes a natural fireplace. Also access to the back deck. Coming into an updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances. So I'll take you a little spin around so you can see. Then we have the family room, which also has a door wall. That door wall leads to the yard. Of course, what wouldn't be an open house unless HGTV is playing? This is our host today. I apologize, I forgot the cat's name. Very talkative cat. Keeps talking to me. So back here on the first floor, again, we have one of the bedrooms, which right now is being used as office space for the family. This home also does have a central vacuum system in it, if you're familiar with those. Full bath here on the first floor. And then we have their daughter's room right here, also on the first floor. All set, ready to go if you have a little girl, ready to move in. You won't have to do any painting. So let me take you upstairs now. Make sure there's nobody here yet, not yet. So this home has what I would call more of a Cape Cod design, not a full upstairs, a partial upstairs. So you do have this bedroom, which right now is their son's room. Nice room. You do also then have the master. Good size master, king size bed in here, guys. Plenty of room for it. Then they do have like a barn door there for the walk-in closet. Now behind here, the way this home is configured, you do have a little bit of an extra storage space back here. This is where the kitty litter box sits right now. But you could use that for storage. And then we do have the master bath with a soaker tub, dual vanity as well. There's me. We have a shower separate. And again, we have a jetted soaker tub in here. So let me turn this back around. So if you want any additional information about this home, feel free to reach out to me. The best way to reach me is on my mobile phone. Hi, kitty. That number is 734-751-6638. Again, 734-751-6638 if you'd like any more additional information about this home. I will be holding another home open later today. And that one is a beautiful townhouse-style condominium in the heart of downtown Wixom. And if you haven't been to Wixom lately, there's a whole lot going on. There's a lot of restaurants and bars. One of the big like microbreweries that has moved into town there is the Drafting Table. So you have a lot going on there as well. So I will tune in again with you later today around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But if you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to reach me back on that cell number. Thanks. Talk to you soon.